What's up everyone? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this cute, sassy, flowy beauty right here, and she is absolutely amazing. She's gonna give you what you need to have. So if you are interested in seeing just how super quick this unit was to put on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up everyone? What's up? Welcome back to another video. So y'all already know what's about to come at y'all. Y'all see this cute bob? Do y'all see the color on it? It's like, baby, this color is absolutely amazing. The color is fantastic, great for the fall. And on top of that, it got that breathable cap, as y'all can see. So honey, your head ain't gonna be hot up in here. If you need to scratch your head, you have easy access. All right. And this is a YAKI straight bob. Look at that parting. Just look at that parting. That is top notch parting. Like, it looks like scalp, literally scalp. Okay, absolutely amazing. You already know this ain't gonna take long to put on. This is a quick put on and go type of unit, so let's get to it.
The check, no safety on what you get, you know I'm saying.
All right, y'all. It feels really good on my head. I can say it feels really good. So we're gonna brush it out, tame it a little bit, brush everything out, and y'all see that? That's good right there. Okay, so I'm gonna push it back some. Y'all see that parting? Top notch. All right, look at that, y'all. That is amazing. That is amazing. Right out of the box. So if you want to go with the blunt cut look, this is how she's going to look right out of the box. She looks cute to me. What y'all think? She looks cute. Like, this is her to the side, and this is cute. This is the back. Like, that flowiness is amazing. Absolutely top tier. Okay, I mean, if you want to wear it just like this, you good. You were done. We was done with this in 5 seconds. Okay. She is amazing, and I just can't get past that color. Like, that color is so good. So we're gonna do a little bump on this unit so you can see how it looks bumped as well. But this is how she looks straight out of the box. She is ready to go right out of the box. You can rock her just like this if you choose to. So let's do these bangs. It's looking like one side is longer than the other. Maybe it's just how I got this wig position. Maybe that's it. Alright, so we are going to bump it. I got my handy dandy flat iron, and we just gonna get this bump in it. So let's do it.
Right in this rap, this is not another love song.
Alright, so this is bump side and straight side. Still got that body.
Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song.
Alright, so we got it bumped up. Now I need to go in and cut it, the bangs a little bit, because this side is longer than the other side. So we just going to get my handy dandy shears, and we're just gonna cut the bangs. I'm gonna put this back, and we're just gonna cut these bangs real quick.
On the run, not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song.
Let me not mess this up. I'm liking it above my eye. I like how it's showing my eye makeup really nice.
It's so unsettling, trying to make some sacrifices, mind and heart been wrestling. Got your friends around you, talking crazy, hit them heckling. Got you in your feelings.
Y'all, I'm liking this. This is is cute. I like the fact that I cut it right above my eyes. As you can see, eye makeup is popping. This is a put on and go unit right straight up out the box. All I did was bump it and ready to go, y'all. This is cute. This is really cute. Just flat iron it, give it a slight bump, not a big one, slight bump, so you can see how she look bone straight and with a slight bump to it as well. Honey, look at that. Y'all see that amazing color? Wow, that is amazing.
Song, girl, you got me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stick. Curve me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another.
This is amazing, y'all. You cannot tell me this color is not bomb. Yeah, she is great for the busy moms, the college students, the homemakers, anybody, working professionals who do not have a lot of time but still want to look stylish and chic at the same time. This is a great unit to have. All you gotta do is take it, literally take it out the box, put it on, and go. You don't have to do anything to this wig, but just brush it out or comb it out, and you can go. You can wear it bone straight, or if you want to put a little bump on it, you can do that as well. And she is good. She is perfect for the beginners who are like brand spanking new to the wig game. Perfect for beginners, perfect for anybody who wants to look absolutely amazing. So I got a little flyaways on top. I'm gonna put my wax stick on so we can tame these flyaways that's at the top, and that's it, y'all. That's it. That is it. That is it. That is amazing. Oh my lord, she is so fabulous. All right, she is fabulous. Yeah.
Me in the doghouse tied down, I was tethering, but you're still right here, so are you riding, are you dead in me? Let it be. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song.
Alright, so before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a wig grip, a Luv Me Hair hair clip, a Luv Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, wig caps, and a mesh bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. I know y'all ready to know all the deets, and I got the tea for you, so let me spill. So this is a put on and go realistic glueless YAKI straight bob with bangs that's minimalistic undetectable HD lace wig, and it's 100% human hair. I am wearing this unit in the length 10 inches, but you do have the option to get this in longer lengths. You can get it in 12 inches and 14 inches as well. This realistic YAKI straight is perfect for the beginners because it is a no skill install. You absolutely do not need no experience at all to put this unit on. It's a lace top and breathable bangs. It's a great protective style and is extremely comfortable. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. Like I said, this is 100% human hair. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. The density on this unit is 150%. Like baby, it is so full, but as y'all can see, honey, it is very flowy, like stiff wear nowhere. The color is a natural black with brown highlight. This unit also can be dyed, so if you want to put a little bit more highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that as well. This unit also comes with an attached adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you the glueless effect. It also comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. The lace area is minimalistic. It's just in the parting area, and the lace type is a regular HD undetectable lace. And y'all already know this is 100% glueless. Glueless. effortless. Okay, put this on right out of the box and go, go, go. So honey, this is the perfect unit to have. Take it out of the box, straighten it a little bit if you need to, and you are good to go, honey. She is absolutely fabulous. You're gonna be shaking your head just to shake it, because honey, she is flowy. You're gonna be wanting to say no for no reason. Be like, no, just so you can shake your hair. You're gonna be like, yes. Honey, this unit is giving what it needs to give. She's lightweight, she's a fun wig, and great to have in your wig rotation. She's amazing. Go get her. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this cute flowy goodness right here, make sure you check out the description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down as well, so you can save those coins. And if you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you're interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.